Over the past year, we've been developing several components in Positive to help you improve your bottom line, such as positive text, event-driven alerts, dashboards, reminder scheduling, and Positive Anywhere. Today, we're demonstrating positive text. All the tools you need for fast and efficient text messaging are built in the Positive. Positive text allows you to text market to customers, communicate with customers and employees, and send automated messages. And it's all included with a Positive Gold Plus subscription. You've probably noticed that more and more businesses, such as restaurants, merchants, shipping companies, etc., want to send you text messages. That's because it's a quick, easy, and personal way to communicate with customers. In fact, many people now prefer to receive a text rather than a phone call. You'd probably like to use text messaging in your business right now, but you have some concerns. You might think it's too hard to collect phone numbers. Well, put your text phone number on receipts, Facebook, Twitter, in-store signage, anywhere you can think of, and make sure your staff ask customers for their phone numbers. It's too hard to set up. Well, we've designed Positive Text to be easy to set up. It only takes a few minutes. Maybe you've heard that there could be legal issues with texting to customers. Well, we make the customer opt in and don't allow you to text through Positive unless the customer has approved. And we'll explain more on that later. Marketing sounds too complicated. Well, we've designed an easy-to-use campaign manager, and you can schedule your texts in advance. Positive Text is an incredibly cost-effective marketing tool. Personalized mobile marketing creates brand awareness, store loyalty, and generally better customer relationships. But most important, it increases your bottom line. No other form of advertising allows you to effectively reach customers for literally pennies. Let's look at an actual case study. Pete's Ace Hardware in California. In July, Pete's tried their first text marketing campaign. They sent 4 text messages to their customers during the first 2 weeks of July. Customers who texted back Pete's were enrolled in the coupon club. 49% of the recipients signed up and received text coupons. The coupon redeemers spent around $72 per sale. This was a 411% increase over the average ticket. And Pete's added 190 new customers through their coupon promotion. Now I'll give you a brief demonstration of Positive Text. We'll go to Maintenance, Definitions List, SMS Manager, and SMS Responses. This is where you'll set up the text message replies customers receive when they send in a keyword. Think about common questions you get calls about and use those as keywords. For example, the keyword hours returns your store hours. Also, you can see on the right side, you can create other responses that will allow customers to see their order status, account balance, and soon their frequent buyer balance. Once customers learn they can get a quick answer by text, it'll free up your staff's time for more productive endeavors. This is also where you create your footer message. This goes out with every text, and we recommend that you put your company name in the footer. And this is where you designate a person who receives the text. In our case, we're using manager. You can see your monthly usage. You can also see the texting log. This is a record of every text that has gone out of and has come back into Positive. And personnel groups. Groups are a good way to categorize certain employees. In our example, we have groups called staff, day, and night. Let me show you the marketing manager. We're going to management, marketing, Marketing Manager. Here is where you create campaigns. And I'll create one to show you how it works. So we're going to click on Add, and I'm going to call this, let's say, Friday Special. And now we can create a single event or multiple events for this campaign. So I'll click on Add down here, and we're going to select Send SMS Text. Now here we can choose to send this manually, or we can schedule a date and time to send this message automatically. So I'm going to select this to show you how this works. So I'll come to our calendar here, and let's say I want to send this on a Thursday, and I want it to go out at 9 a.m. in the morning. And then click OK to save. Next, we choose who this message is going to be sent to. So you can send to all eligible customers. These are customers who have provided their cell phone numbers and then opted in, giving you permission to market to them. You can also create a customized list. You can add customers one at a time or create a query. By the way, each event can have its own recipient list. Now we're going to create our message. I'm going to come down here and click on Edit SMS Text. Now, for our example, we're going to send a personalized message with a $2 off coupon code. You'll notice over here on the right-hand side that we can put in commands that will insert the customer's name, and these names come out of our customer database. Okay? And then we'll pick our coupon. Also over here, we tell you what the command is for coupon. Pound, coupon, pound. So I'm going to click here. This brings us to the Coupon Manager in Positive. You can set up your coupons in advance, which I've done here. I'm going to select Friday 2. So there's our coupon code. I'm going to click OK to save. Now I can send a test. So this will kind of be a preview of what it's going to look like on the recipient's phone. So click Send Test, and I'm going to enter a number. I'll click OK. I'm using Google Voice as a stand-in for an actual cell phone, so you can actually see what's going on a recipient's phone. Okay, so this is our preview. So it's not pulling any information out of the database, it's just showing us the layout of the text. So hello, first name, use this coupon code to receive $2 off a single purchase this Friday. All right, the Send Now button is used to launch a campaign manually. So you can, create a campaign on the fly and send it now. You can even take a campaign that's been scheduled to launch automatically at a certain date and send it now, which I'm going to do to demonstrate how an actual text coupon will look on the recipient side. Now what this screen shows you is how many messages you've sent and received for the month, how many messages you're going to send right now, and what your quota is for the month. So I'm going to click on Confirm and Send, and this will show you all the recipients of this particular text message. So I've sent them to these 3. We're going to go over here to our Google Voice, and here's the actual coupon message. So it says, hello Virginia. This is the customer who received this text. Use this coupon code, and this is a unique code for this particular customer to receive $2 off a single purchase this Friday. And then at the bottom is the footer, which is sent out automatically with every text. We recommend that it includes your business name in it. Next, we'll see how easy it is to send text to customers. For example, you know that Virginia Thompson buys a lot of purple widgets when they're in stock, and you just received a case. Come up here and click on the text icon, and you can select customer. We'll find Virginia in our customer list. Click select, and this is just like on your phone. You can send and receive text right from the screen. So let's send her a message from here, and we'll send. So I'm using Google Voice to simulate how this would appear on the customer's phone or tablet. So here's the message we just sent from Positive, and the customer can reply back. All right, and then within Positive, we get the response back. And as you can see, it works pretty quickly. Down here, let me explain this. Customers, as you can see, can send messages back. Whoever the designated employee is who receives the text messages will have this pop up on their screen. And they can click this and it'll bring up a chat window for them as well. And they can see the communication you've had, and they can also respond directly to the customer themselves. Now, what if an employee calls in sick? How much time do you spend on the phone trying to cover their shift? A faster, more efficient use of your time is to send a text to your employees. So we're going to come back up to our text icon. And we can send a text to a single employee, or we can send a text to an employee group. So we can send to everybody, or let's say we need to find a replacement for the day shift. So we select day shift, click select here. This shows us everybody who's on the day shift group. And we can type our message in, send it out to everybody, and then they can reply back, and it'll pop up on this same window. Rather than trying to call a customer to let them know their order is ready, send them a text. Positive can send automatic text messages triggered by specific events. So we're going to come over here to maintenance again, definitions list, and events manager. Now you'll see we have some predefined events, and then you can have actions underneath them. Now in our example, under service orders, we will alert the customer via text that work has started, the customer needs to call in, and work has been completed. Now we're going to go back to our example here. Virginia, we're going to go into service orders. Virginia brought something in that needed to be repaired. The repair has been completed, so we're going to go to our service order, and we're going to change the status to work is complete. Then over on Virginia's phone, she gets a message. Hello, Virginia. Your service order 535 has been completed and is ready for pickup. Now, let's talk about having customers opt in. Text messaging is regulated by the federal government. So there are rules that must be followed. The most important rule is customers must opt in or give explicit permission before you can send messages to their phone. And the best way to do this is to have customers text start to your Positive text phone number. It's also recommended that when people opt in, you tell them how many marketing messages you'll be sending each month. Positive text is included with a Gold Plus subscription. You'll receive a free Positive text telephone number for your area, if available, and 500 text messages a month. Additional messages are 3 cents each. Also, you'll have access to our other Gold features such as dashboards, reminder scheduling, and Positive Anywhere. Please contact Positive if you're not currently a Gold Plus subscriber. Positive Text is one of the most powerful tools we've ever offered, and it allows you to text market to customers, communicate with customers and employees, and send automated messages. Please call us at 800-735-6860 when you're ready to get started.